Welcome, this is Neco year 2019 English Objective Past Question, question number 26. And to this question, the instruction says choose from the options letter A to E the one that is the most appropriate interpretation for each of the following statements. So we are using this instruction to answer question number 21 to 30, and this question is coming from a topic called idiom, and this sentence here says the children had to walk to keep the wolf from the door. The children had to walk to keep the wolf from the door. The children had to walk to keep the wolf from the door. This means that the walk in order to dash. So the focus here is keep. There is ought to keep wolf. Now to ought to keep wolf simply means to prevent poverty. That is, to prevent poverty and hunger. So option A say avoid being punished, B say avoid hunger, C say catch fun, D say chase the wolf from the house, E say please their parents. So by this explanation we have hunger from it, so option B is correct. So the correct option is option B. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.